a church today, got a photo shoot today, and I got a Valentines today. So we got a packed day. Kings and queens, auntie, miss you. Did you miss me? Today is what the day is. The last day of February. Shout out to all my niggas. Happy Black History Month. Anyway, it's Black History Month every day. We're about to go to see Anthony Bowen.
I'm just loud and wrong. His name is Anthony Brown, not Anthony Bowen.
At my church in Alabama, I am wearing milk dress. If you haven't seen my milk dress video, go tune it. What are you doing not tuning that? I mean streaming. Y'all, I'll just be talking. Give it milk, drink that milk. Let me show y'all my shoes. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. My legs are extremely hairy because I don't shave my legs during the winter time. Now that it's warm, I have to shave my legs. When I'm on the way, y'all, I just like to talk to y'all about certain stuff. So y'all know we finna chat. I'm going to a Valentine's themed slumber party tonight. I really don't understand why we're having a Valentine's 2 to 3 weeks after Valentine's Day is over with. I'm just going because I know her and her girlfriend can cook really well. And I know I'm gonna have a good time. I also have a photo shoot today. My friend texted me and was like, he wanted to shoot a video with me tonight downtown. So I was like, all right, bet. I need to do something with my hair though. I don't want to shoot the video with a puff because I need a new look, for real. Guys, this week I also paid the rest of the money to get my degree. And I booked my Airbnb for my birthday. Me and my 2 friends, we are going to the Caribbean for my birthday. We're leaving April 10th. I'm just blessed. Like, I don't take any credit for me because, like, literally invited these 2 young ladies on my trip. But I was like, I'll just pay for the Airbnb. Don't worry about it. Because I knew the Airbnb was going to be expensive because it's the Caribbean. And nothing in the Caribbean is cheap. And I knew that from going to Jamaica. The reason I did that because the last 2 years my birthdays have literally been paid for. Like, as I get older and as I matriculate more money, I'm going to be the one to like call my friends and be like, listen, I want you here, don't worry about it, don't even pack nothing. Cause when we get there, we going shopping. Pack you some pads and some socks. That's it. You always gotta bring you some pads. And we're going shopping. I'll get your flight booked, your limo booked, your black truck booked, everything booked. We'll get our hair done when we get there. Like, that's the type of energy I'm gonna be on once I get to where I'm going. This year, 2026, bro, Christmas and Thanksgiving, I need to be serving. I need to be doing something, giving back, because, bro, working at the hospital really showed me, bro, it's a lot of people out here that need help. It's a lot of people out here who don't have any family. It's a lot of people out here who aren't right mentally and they're struggling each and every day. Make somebody Christmas special or make somebody Thanksgiving special. I would love that. And my childhood best friend, she's getting married the weekend of Thanksgiving, and I'm super excited because she asked me to be in her bridal party. That's really an honor that somebody asked me, little old me, to be in their bridal party. Like, I'm not going to like pass this opportunity up. Y'all, I'm almost at church. I've been yapping the whole way here. I'll see y'all when I get to church. I just got to church. And is it wrong that I be coming late to church on purpose because they talk too much? Is that wrong? Oh, ain't nobody at the gate? What's going on? I do have some bad news. My phone is on 7%. I pray I find somewhere to charge my phone. Let's go. We're at church. Alright guys, we're on the way to the hair store because I have a photo shoot today. I just decided that I'm going to do a sew-in on my head because I don't want to do my photo shoot with my puff. In the comments, let me know what you think about this. I want to write a thesis about the influence of the Black church on African Americans and our culture. Alright y'all boys, so we at the hair store. I'm trying to think which ones are better to get. I guess I could get the smaller one. Let me get this one. I low-key need some more hair glue because the one I got is so buttons. Oh, I need earrings. I got everything else. I ended up getting what I needed. I got some hair glue. I got these earrings from the hair store. I got these. He wanted me to get some bamboo, but I was like, bruh, I want something different. Like, someone told me to think outside the box. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. I'll wash my hair, blow dry, braid it down, and start. So, okay, guys. So I literally just shocked myself. I did not think I was gonna be able to do. I just did a sew-in and a full face of makeup in 3 hours. I low-key might be goated. Like, I washed my hair, I washed the bundles. I did all of that in 3 hours. I wanted to record for y'all, but I wouldn't have been able to do a great walk-in. I'm on the way to shoot with Marquise. Marquise is actually a great videographer and photographer. He's actually worked in LA before. He's actually shot Kevin Hart before, which is actually insane. So when he hit me up to shoot, I was like, yeah. This is I got on my True Religions now. I really didn't want to wear my True Religion. A new look. I feel like I've been busting the truths out ever since I got them, you know? And I got more jeans now. This lady at Ulta, she was nice enough to give me some of her jeans. She just was able to help me out. She gave me jeans, but they were too big in the waist area. Because I ain't got no waist. So, yeah. So cute. They're the star tonight. Oh, God. No.
Hey friends, come host our first Valentines event with us. The theme of our Valentines is Let's Get Wild because we have a new card game that's coming out soon to a city near you. And it's called Let's Get Wild. It has 5 categories. It's true. Oh. My woman had wanted baby shower food at first, but then I was like, we should do a taco bar. We always eat shots, and more motherfucking shots. Me and Alexa's friend literally drank like a whole bottle. I didn't even know I could drink that much. Here's a little sneak peek of the game.